Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the service. We're taking a look at N26, found online at N26.com. N26 offers a modern, mobile-first approach to banking. Their app provides a sleek, intuitive interface designed for managing your finances on the go. Features like real-time transaction notifications, spending categorization, and budgeting tools give you a clear picture of your financial health. N26 also offers a range of account options, from standard current accounts to premium metal cards with travel insurance and exclusive perks. They've designed their services to be flexible and adaptable to different lifestyles. One of the key advantages of N26 is its international focus. They offer services in multiple countries and currencies, making it a convenient option for travelers and expats. Their multi-currency accounts allow you to hold and exchange funds in different currencies, simplifying international transactions. Furthermore, N26's customer support is available in multiple languages, providing assistance to a diverse user base. They prioritize ease of use and accessibility in their banking experience. Security is a top priority for N26. They employ advanced security measures to protect your account and financial information. Features like two-factor authentication and biometric login add extra layers of security. N26 adheres to strict regulatory standards and utilizes encryption technology to safeguard your data. You can manage your security settings directly within the app, giving you control over your account access. N26 is a compelling choice for those seeking a digital-first banking solution. Their mobile-centric approach, combined with features like budgeting tools, international capabilities, and robust security measures, offers a modern and convenient banking experience. They're constantly evolving and adding new features, striving to provide a user-friendly and comprehensive financial platform. Be sure to check out N26.com for all the details and to see if N26 is the right fit for you. They have a wealth of information available on their website to help you understand their services and offerings.